Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Brawl Stars QR code. First, open the Brawl Stars application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Friends tab, which is usually found on the main screen. From there, you will need to tap on the Invite Friends button. This action will lead you to the next step in generating your unique code, making it simple to connect with others in the game. After tapping Invite Friends, you will see an option to share your personal friend code. Make sure to select the choice that allows you to generate a QR code. This will instantly display your unique, scannable code right on your device's screen. This visual representation makes it incredibly easy for others to add you without any typing errors, streamlining the friend adding process significantly. Once your QR code is displayed, simply take a screenshot of it using your device's built-in functionality. This saves the image to your photo gallery. You can then easily share this saved QR code image with your friends through various messaging apps or social media platforms. When your friends receive it, they can quickly scan the code with their own Brawl Stars app to add you instantly, making connections effortless. Using QR codes to add friends in Brawl Stars offers several great benefits. It is a super quick and entirely error-free method, eliminating the frustration of mistyping long friend codes. This streamlined process allows you to connect with up to 100 friends with remarkable ease. It is a modern and efficient way to expand your in-game network, ensuring you spend more time playing and less time on administrative tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.